Oh, I burnt my empanada. Burnt my empanada. An hour and a half, bro. I think we could do it in an hour and a half. Alrighty. Drilling time. What is this?
Alright, we got another toy to put on the car. We have a carbon fiber StreetHunter wing for the 2021 GR Supra.
Look at that. That's real carbon, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Pretty cool.
Alright. So, I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to put this piece on the car myself or have Jay and I do it.
It's a little scary.
It's a little sketch. Yeah, a little sketch.
Oh, also like no shop in the area would do it.
That too, yeah.
Nobody wanted to take it on.
A lot of people here, they're scared of doing aftermarket parts for these types of cars just because they don't know what they're doing. They're scared that, you know, they're going to have to pay for any damages that they mess up on.
Liability and stuff, yeah.
And so, we're going to do it.
I guess we're going to do it. Alrighty. So, tape first, I guess?
Yeah. We did our research. We'll see how it goes.
We watched like every YouTuber, Randy Trong, Birdie, all of them. Taping up, protecting the paint. Also, so we can mark our holes for where we drill in. Bow! I'm gonna put on some music. Oh look, mix back. Dang, that's a pretty good tape job, my guy. I think mine's a little bit. Hey, what is this? What is that? Boof. Is what that is. That's boof.
Job. It's a good job.
Hey man, good job, man. What we're gonna do is tape this, right? And then mark the holes there, then peel it off and stick it on here. Okay, so first we do a little tracey trace.
Tracey trace. So,
well, actually, we should put the
the
crossbar on, then do the tracey trace. Here you go, sir.
Okay, sir.
So there's little divots. I don't know if you...
Oh no, a Sharpie, bro.
Want me to give you another one? So there's like little divots in the inside. And we're gonna X those out. That's a big X, bro.
Thanks.
All right, so that's the center. It looks dead. All right, and then we drill those out, and it should pop through to the other side, in theory. And then we're gonna attach. What do you call that thing? I keep forgetting what it's called. It's called something different on my car. The bridge. And we're gonna attach the bridge to both of the risers. Are they called risers on this car? They're called risers on my car.
I just say fins.
Fins.
Yeah.
Kind of look sharky. Yeah. So we're gonna connect the what do you call that thing? I keep forgetting what it's called.
It's a bridge.
The bridge like a water. All right.
The water.
Connect the bridge to the risers, and then we'll measure it up and put it on the back of the car. All right, cool. Drill these holes now. I accidentally got fiberglass everywhere. But here's the hole, here's the bolt, and it fits. Yay. Just stepped up with a bunch of drill bits. Rails finishing, guys. Alright, recorded on my phone because the GoPro died. But as I was saying, Rail told me not to film this, but another failed excursion, I guess. Another scrap project.
Bad luck A90.
Yeah, bad luck A90. So we drilled the holes to line up with the bridge thing, whatever. And go ultra wide. And it was fitting a little snug, so we kept like taking it on and off to like widen the holes or oval them out so they line up. And this screw got so tight, and as we were trying to take it out, it stripped. So here we are with one wing riser on a wing with a stripped screw. Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to get it out now, and then I assume we're just gonna take it to a shop to install, just like the exhaust. I see you wore your Eliminate hoodie for the, you know, like the Eliminate Supra. Except the Eliminate Supra has a wing on it. Hey, Mick.
Oh yeah. We're quarter of the way there.
All right, we ain't going out without a fight. Not going out like that. Brought Dad in. We cut the bolt off and got it out with vice grips. It was a mess. See the saw. Marked off. We're gonna go get shorter, stronger hardware because this hardware is trash. It just stripped like not even too much force. It just circled out the Allen key. So I'm gonna go find some like stainless, stronger stuff. It's my first ride in Supra though. This thing's loud, bro. Ugh. my chest. Yep, to Lowe's. Off to Lowe's. All right, after dinner, 2 trips to the hardware store. We got more bolts. Okay, so we got one side fitted up, and then we're fitting up the other side now. So what we found was run the hardware through here first, so you could kind of clean up the threads, or else the hardware gets stuck. And that's why it ended up cross-threading on this side, because it wasn't going through all the way. So we ovaled out these holes, and then we're tossing the bolts in now, and it's coming together nicely again. We almost threw in the towel, but after some fine-tuning and the help of my dad, we figured it out.
The fitment on this one.
The fitment's good over here. The fitment over there is kind of gappy. Alrighty, we now screwing in the other side. Fitment ain't too hot on this side. It's like a gap over here. Yeah. We're trying to level it out with the other screw, but compared to this side, this one fits kind of flush. But obviously it's fiberglass, so it's not gonna flex. So that's kind of how the gap is.
Like on there already.
You can kind of see it's kind of a bigger gap. It's hard to see on camera, but it's a little tough. But now we just gotta see if these will line up with the car, and hopefully they do. All right, update after adjusting the fitment. We wrapped the bottoms in saran wrap so we could just mock it up. It goes down here. Yeah, down there.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's not bad.
This is really good.
Oh, that actually fits. And reveal time?
It was really good.
Wow, big wang. That fits pretty well, actually.
The bottom's a little gappage. I don't know if you want
A little gappy. But when we tighten in the bolts, it'll pull that in. I got the saran wrap. All right, so that concludes this part. We'll catch you guys probably tomorrow when we drill this in and actually get it fitted so that the fitment's right and we can take it off to paint. You stoked, bro?
Yes.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Day 2, exhaust install, or exhaust install. No, wing install.
Who did this?
My dad did.
Nice.
All right, man.
So we got a stencil, so we're all ready to go.
Thank you.
We'll wrap this guy and stencil it out.
Tape everywhere.
Let me see your trunk and see where.
Oh, the coils are here too.
Woo!
Yeah, coil install today, right? No, we're just gonna take a look at them.
Yeah, we're just gonna look at it.
All right, a little update in case my filming skills were pretty bad. Me and Rel struggled with the fitment of the bridge to the risers because there's so much tolerance with these holes. We didn't know how to center them because we tried using the inner holes, but those weren't centered. And we ended up cross-starting a bolt, having to chop it off and getting new hardware. So now we're worried that these won't line up, but we're gonna need a little bit of flex. So we now have stencils. Gonna mock it up to the car, trace around on the car where this goes, and then peel off this tape and use this as a stencil for these holes, then draw the holes in. It's a familiar sight, isn't it? All right, we're all taped up again. So now we're gonna take the wing, mock it up onto here, then trace where the base goes out, and then peel off that tape, and then place that tape on here. That way we could mark out the holes. All right, placing the wing on now, in case you didn't see it in a dark clip that I took the other night. Sorry, I'm eating some chips. Let me just document this fitment real quick. There's a little gap down there.
This one's perfect.
That one's perfect. We're just gonna have to stretch it a little, like,
I mean, this
just like, push this down.
Like
Well, it's just want to be like half an inch.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We'll trace it on the corner then.
how you feeling, bro?
It's not my car. Hey, if it don't sit straight, not my car.
Yeah, this one's pretty seated.
Yeah, if your outline is off, the wing gonna be off. Hey bro, peep the stance.
check the wide stance,
Peep the
people.
stance.
This is the only way to hold up a
I'm
wing.
making sure it's nice and straight for my cousin.
Center of gravity.
Just like that top.
Nice posture.
Bent knees.
So when you
Keep it stable.
Yep, keeping it stable. Pressure in the heels.
There you go.
Don't use too much of your back. You want to lift with the
this
legs,
right
not
here
the
is
back.
like
Keep the
this
stance.
guy's pushed down.
Right. Peak that stance. Oh my
See,
god.
better,
Right
better.
there.
No,
Right
no,
there.
no.
So that's like seated.
So right here.
Let me cop some, cousin.
I almost choked. Oh my god.
Like see how like this guy seats. You know, you got about a quarter gap.
Oh yeah.
Down there.
You got,
Spice up your life. Guayaki, baby.
that's why I was kind of like
All natural energy.
But this is
This is what they teach you in elementary school.
is what all that training's for.
Protractor.
Draw inside the lines,
Get the
people.
protractor. Someone get him a protractor. He needs a protractor.
I think it's called a compass.
A compass?
Yeah, a compass.
Compass?
No, a compass, right? The thing that makes circles.
What are you talking? Oh, yeah.
Is it a compass or
Yeah,
a
protractor just measures the angles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, compass.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, that's our TV provider.
Compass.
Yeah, Comcast.
Darn you, Compass. My internet be trash, bro.
That's a sketch, my guy. Call him Etch, cause he's sketching.
Okay. Dang, that's a nice wing. Woo!
And we're done. This is actually for my car.
Oh. Look at all that horsepower, bro.
Man, is everyone drinking enlightenments?
Bro, we drank in a day. We're getting
I
turned.
think I could use some enlightenment.
A light in your life.
Hey, cheers, my boys.
Bada bing, bada boom.
What about me? Nah, it's just like just kidding.
Do
We're not
like
gonna
a-
know who's here.
What you gonna put?
I'm gonna put a J here, right? So y'all know that mine is the one that says yerba mate.
Yeah, Jerba.
Yerba mate for J. Look at this.
Be like
This
baby.
stencil right here. Perfect fit. This is the most important part.
Yeah, that's some good light. That's some good light.
Yeah.
Nice.
You know when you be holding the flashlight for your dad, that's the only thing he asks you to do, and then like he gets a bolt stuck, and he like, I need the light. I can't see. Move the light.
Oh,
It's like, sorry. And it's like your only job, and you're doing it wrong.
It's too far out here.
Far out.
Wow, dude. You're really good at this.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, see this? That form right there. Right angle. Right angle. It's like the stance, but like arm. You need to be quick with it. Like, see, now they're looking over there.
Dang, look at that.
Now
the
they're back over
reflexes.
here.
Oh my gosh.
Right? Over there.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah,
It's like they can have light anywhere they want.
Exactly.
Where you want it, just let them know. He's got you. They're right
see,
there.
now they're over here.
Oh,
Oh, sometimes you got to move over, you know? And move like that, you know?
whoa, the movement. Oh my gosh. That movement is crazy.
Yeah, I'm a D1 athlete. D1, you know what position I play?
What position, bro?
Illumination.
Oh my gosh. Right side, left side? What you got?
Bright.
That might be it.
So you want to keep it close to the eye because what your eye sees is what the light sees. You got to be one with the light.
As you can tell, we're really good at working on cars. Specifically the illumination aspect.
You know, sometimes D1 athletes just aren't as good as the NBA players or NFL players. So, you know, sometimes your lighting just isn't adequate and you got to bring out the big guns. You got to bring out the professionals, you know?
Oh my.
Oh, man.
My man is locked and loaded, dude.
I'm like meticulous. I'm trying to rule everything out.
ahead. I'm just here holding a light.
That's a chop.
Super such a big boy.
This is precious metals right here. I didn't even get it. Precious metals right here.
It's also plastic.
Not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Really good.
Look how clean that is. Look at that.
See how far those that bulk.
No.
Imagine you're right on the. Imagine goes under the car and loses it.
Goes inside the car.
Oh, to round it out.
To make it the hole bigger so we can play. Alright, so someone's gonna have to hold the wing. Someone's gonna have to.
Alright.
Correct. Paint. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. It's on.
Ooh.
The wing is. Oh, we need the end plates.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, buddy.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh. You know what you gotta say? That's not going anywhere.
Going anywhere.
Because now it legally can't go anywhere. What do you think?
Hey, you know,
That's not bad.
did you find where my...
Oh man. I'm not.
Dang, we're about to take flight.
Let's go with
Cheers.
How's the trunk doing? The trunk's not too bad.
When you close it.
Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and do
No, it's
that.
not that heavy.
Yeah.
Do a little test.
Oh my gosh. Yo, that's crazy. Carbon free.
Just sitting here,
Admiring
looking at the car
with the spotlight.
with the spotlight right at the bottom. All right, so what's the opposite of a preface?
What is the preface?
Like preface is when you're like, I'm gonna preface this, like make a note before you start something.
Oh,
Because I was gonna say, quick preface, we're not professionals, but we've already done it. So like, how would I say like, we're not professionals? So we're not professionals. So yeah, we're not professionals, but a little bit of feedback in case you're like DIYing a StreetHunter wing yourself. I guess first thing that comes to mind is the bolts when you're mounting the thing to the car itself. One of them is at an angle, whereas the other two are straight up. So the one closest to the back of the car actually sits at an angle. So when you drill your hole, drill it at an angle that matches the base of the wing. When we mounted the bridge, be very careful and really take your time in ovaling out those holes or making them line up to the bridge itself. Because if you throw in that screw a little bit sideways, you're gonna cross thread it like we did, and you're gonna have a whole world of nightmares like we did. And beware the hardware. The hardware is a little, not weak, but a little dinky in my opinion for what it is.
It could be better, for sure.
Yeah, it's like little M5 Allen key bolts, which for a wing that big, is kind of a little sketchy.
Yeah.
And then same goes for when you mount it to the car itself. Maybe put some bigger washers under there so it's a bit more strong. Because it's just plastic and fiberglass that the wing's actually mounted to. So yeah, I think that's like all that we had problems with, right?
Yeah.
Which even though it took us 2 days, that's it.
And it take long as like you need. Like
Yeah.
Be meticulous for this type of project, of course, because if you have this car in your position, like this is, it's
not cheap.
Scary.
It's not cheap. It's kind of scary.
Scary project to do.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to take your time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because it will happen.
For sure, for sure.
For every single project, like, yeah. Just take your time.
We had our fair share of scratching our heads. Yeah.
It'll be worth it for sure.
Yep, it'll be worth it. Yeah, but then now it looks good. So we're actually just gonna pull it off so that he could take it to paint. But looks good. Looks like that.
Like that.
Yeah. Sick wing. I think it looks dope. He thinks it looks dope. Yeah. All right. Cool. Hope y'all enjoyed this install. It took a couple of days, but at least we did it ourselves, so we got that gratification. So yeah.
More coming.
Oh yeah.
Stuff coming.
Yeah, more super stuff coming for sure, for sure. And then more stuff for the 4Runner. We got those things. That's cool. And then that for the Supra. So all right. Hope y'all enjoyed. Take it easy. Peace.